Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to this recipe. Is a pudding recipe. It's a no-fail pudding recipe. For making the pudding, you'll just need two ingredients. The ingredients for making this pudding are ice cream, any flavor of your choice, and gelatin, unflavored gelatin. Today I'll be using the butterscotch flavor. You can use the normal vanilla flavor as well. First, you'll need to melt the ice cream first and put it in a bowl, and you'll need to mix this well. And once you've mixed it, you'll need to melt the gelatin. That I'll be taking 1.5 packets of gelatin. So I'll need 15 grams of gelatin. One packet is 10, so I'll be using 1.5 packets, that's 15 grams. Take some hot water to put the 1.5 packets of gelatin into it, and keep it on a low flame till it has all melted down completely. And now that it has melted, you'll need to pour this into the melted ice cream. Mix it all well, and you'll need to pour this into a dish. And once you've poured, you need to cover it and keep it refrigerated for 2 hours. And within 2 hours, your pudding is ready. This is a no-fail recipe. And this recipe, you can use it as a base recipe for many kinds of pudding. Like, you can change the flavors of ice cream and change the toppings. And it's a no-fail perfect recipe for any puddings. Today I've used the butterscotch, so I'll be adding a biscuit topping to give it a two-colored matte finish. I'll be giving it a matte finish. For that, I'll need biscuits. Today I've taken Mary biscuits and some bourbon, and you'll need to powder it. And now you'll need to put one line of bourbon powder and one line of Mary biscuit powder and give it a nice good look to your pudding. Or you can give any topping of your choice, like chocolate gratings, praline, toffee syrup, chocolate syrup. Or if your base is the vanilla ice cream base, you can put in many varieties of toppings like the mango, strawberry, chocolate, Nutella, pralines, and any different flavor of your choice. It's a very easy pudding and it's a no-fail recipe. Do give it a try. It's just 2 ingredient pudding. Give it a try, and please don't forget to post your feedbacks in the comment section below. If you're new to my channel and if you haven't subscribed till now, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Until I come back with a new recipe, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.